Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free or earn a website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. And let's get started. Okay guys, this is the website. You can claim this much Satoshi of the Solano every 2 minutes and 50 times claim per day. And just put your email address of the faucet pay and just solve this little capture. After solving, just solve this capture is a 5 10 1 3 and wait 10 seconds. This website pay you instantly in your faucet pay, and you can see a lot of people making their money from this website. And just click get reward to you can get your reward and pay you instantly to your faucet pay. And now you guys see this website pay me instantly to my faucet pay. I go to my faucet pay to show you this website pay me or not. I go to my overview, come down, and you can see I received this my Solano from this website. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. And bye bye for now.